沙椒。
So, yun lang ah. Ano yung pinrepair mo? Hey!
Welcome. Sa ngayon, wala kaming intro.
Pero yeah, welcome sa Mukbang Samgyup at home.
어서오세요.
Mukbang tayo ng Samgyup.
Yep. So, talaga tayong tinip.
Ito favorite kong sadyang. Favorite kong sadyang. Baliktad. Soju bomb.
A little soda pop. You're all I can think of. Every
Yun.
Yummy. Want it, John?
Wanna try the beef, Jeremy? No. Cheers. Hindi ako bilang sa Ito ba yung cheese?
Sir.
Cheese fishball.
So. Duck, cheers.
Ang sarap ng cheese.
Oh my god.
Lang.
Go. This is how you eat samgyup.
Done all the lettuce.
Kimchi, cheese, beef, and lettuce. Nice.
You need like a tissue. Let's.
This is mukbang, Jerome.
I see like the blue with white guy. I think it's from like a Disney or Netflix film. Yeah, he's blue and white, and he looks like an earless animal.
Come here. You need to drink this.
Chocolate. Come here.
Let me see.
It's chocolate Korean drink.
This
Come here.
mukbang.
You know what?
See, just
Justin, come here. Drink your Korean chocolate drink.
This one.
Remove your earphones first.
no, the whole tissue.
Let us know.
Our assistant director, Jeremy. Oh, thank you.
Dapat siya nagbunga siya madalbi. Jeremy, how do you entertain us? Siya pala mag-iinto. Cheese.
How's the chocolate?
How was it? It's fine?
Try it now. Try the
Is
chocolate.
that Yoko mushroom or I don't know how to pronounce it. Is that like
Enoki.
oh no.
Yeah, try it.
I've seen mukbangs eat enoki mushroom a lot.
Really? You wanna try it?
No,
Come on.
no, I just don't.
One bite.
No,
Dip it on cheese.
no, I don't.
That's it, guys. That's it, pansit.
Until next time. Bye.
Whoa.